Largest in India. Which is the largest state in India by area? Correct answer Rajasthan. Which is the largest river in India? Correct answer Ganga. Which is the largest delta in India? Correct answer Sundarbans Delta. Which is the largest dam in India? Correct answer Hirakud Dam. Which is the largest museum in India? Correct answer Indian Museum, Kolkata. Which is the largest state in India by population? Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest court in India? Correct answer Kandla Port, Deendale Port. Which is the largest animal fair in India? Correct answer Sonepur Fair. Which is the largest mosque in India? Correct answer Taj al-Masajid, Bhopal. Which is the largest national park in India? Correct answer Hemis National Park. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Correct answer Chilika Lake. Which is the largest river island in India? Correct answer Majuli, Assam. Which is the largest salt desert in India? Correct answer Rann of Kutch. Which is the largest producer of rice in India? Correct answer West Bengal. Which is the largest producer of sugarcane in India? Correct answer Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest railway platform in India? Correct answer Hubballi, Karnataka. Which is the largest mountain range in India? Correct answer Himalayas. Which is the largest library in India? Correct answer National Library, Kolkata. Which is the largest airport in India? Correct answer Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Which is the largest hydroelectric power project in India? Correct answer Terry Dam Project. Which is the largest mangrove forest in India? Correct answer Sundarbans. Which is the largest inland salt lake in India? Correct answer Sambar Lake. Which is the largest oil-producing state in India? Correct answer Rajasthan. Which is the largest coffee producing state in India? Correct answer Karnataka. Which is the largest gold producing state in India? Correct answer Karnataka. Which is the largest tribal group in India? Correct answer Bhil. Which is the largest waterfall in India by height? Correct answer Kunchikal Falls. Which is the largest river bridge in India? Correct answer Dola Sadia Bridge. Which is the largest public sector company in India? Correct answer Indian Oil Corporation. Which is the largest state by forest area in India? Correct answer Madhya Pradesh.